What is good, you guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie and you are about to subscribe. Please do subscribe, guys. Today, this is just like a random vlog. I don't. Okay, it's a salon vlog. Yeah, it's a random salon vlog. So this is me. My hair was like, I was just so tired, and I decided to go to the salon because I wanted so when I came, I left my house and I said, okay, I'm going to cut my hair. And when I got there, I was like, nope, let me just tell them to do a blowout relaxer on me, meaning they're just going to texturize my afro, whatever. So that is what they did. I always texturize my afro. As you guys have seen, maybe when I do hairstyle tutorials, my afro wasn't like afro. It was like a texturized kind of afro, right? I always do blowouts like every maybe every 3 months or whatever. So yeah, I did. And yo guys, this lady did an amazing job. Her hands were so proper on my scalp, whatever. She just did a perfect job on me, and I really enjoyed my first experience at the salon. Okay, so I'm just going to let you watch. So this is her just massaging my hair with the product, and then we went over to the basin to wash. So she gave me like a quick wash. I won't lie, this chair of theirs or whatever, yo, it was really uncomfortable. I didn't enjoy this part. As you can see, I was trying to figure out how I'm going to put my head, because like my head goes down deep into the basin or whatever they call this thing of theirs. But yeah, man, I really enjoyed I really enjoyed the massaging. Yes, I really enjoyed it. So I'm just going to let you watch and come back whenever I have to. But after here, she's just going to blow out my hair with a blowout Barini. Oh, Barini, that thing, man, hair dryer. It's just going to hair dry my hair and then also put some hair food.
Oh, Benizet. Oh, Benizet. Oh, Benizet. I'm crying now, I'm always lying. Oh, Benizet. Oh, Benizet. Yeah, my daughter. Oh, Benizet. I'm crying now, I'm always lying. Oh, Benizet. I always lying. Oh, yeah, my daughter. Oh, Benizet. It's okay, I know I'm always lying.
Also, guys, when you blow out your hair, you have to use heat. So yeah, and also I was just tired of my hair. I just didn't know what to do with it, so I didn't care whether they use heat or not. I was just like, I just do whatever. Like, when you're going through a lot. Also, did I mention that I was going through a lot when I went to the salon when I decided to do this? Yeah, I was going through a lot. So, I just wanted something, man, something new. I felt like maybe that's going to make me feel better or whatever. So that is why I decided to go to the salon. And also, I just didn't care. When you're going, you just don't care. So this is me now. I was done. My battery was flashing, so I just had to do whatever. And then now, the second time, after like 2 weeks, I come back again. And now I had made the big decision, and I told them that I want to cut my hair. So this is just them busy telling me that, you know what, you have to relax your hair. So I was like, okay, I get that, but let's just do the cutting first. Because I told them, I showed them a picture on Pinterest. I was like, this is the style that I want. It was perm, right? Alright, guys, you know, they did me dirty. Yo, they did me dirty, like, I won't even lie. So here the barber was just busy giving me a lecture, like, oh, you don't have to cut your hair, you can just style it, maybe have another style on. And I was like, no, I want to cut. So this is my first time cutting my hair with a whatever, this thing, a razor, what. Yeah, and I felt a certain way. I was like, I'm finally doing this. Okay, you guys are gonna see. Like, did you see that picture? I'm just going to put it on the screen again. This is what I wanted, right? Okay, sharp. You guys are gonna see, and you understand why I left here feeling down again. Okay, so now they were done. My hair was so dirty. So now I told him that, okay, it's fine. Let's do the relaxing, because I just wanted to see how my hair is going to look when it's cut, but I could see, I don't know, it's ugly. So let's do the relaxing and do the perm. Okay. Wa relax some guy. Hey, he's busy applying the relaxer. I used soft and free this time around because they were like, we need like a proper relaxer. And I was like, okay. The time when my hair was relaxed, I used to relax with soft and free. So they were like, okay. And they used soft and free. Guys, this thing of theirs was so tight, and it was the relaxer. He applied relaxer on directly on my neck, and it was burning my neck. I told him, oh, guy, please, I'm burning. My neck is burning. Okay. So he applied the relaxer, and then went over to wash. Now here I was burning like my whole head. But he went on and said, no, I didn't comb your hair. What. I'm like, okay, but do it fast because I'm burning now. As you can see, I was also now feeling uncomfortable. So went over to the wash. He washed my hair. I was I was even feeling sleepy. He washed my hair. Shem. Guys, this time around, my second experience was bad. I would lie, Shem. This salon, I even told them, you know what? I'm not even going to come back here. I'm not even going to come back. I really had a bad experience this time around. But yeah, this is a teeny. So now there I was. Now he applied spritz on my hair, and then he started putting on the perm rods. That's what they call them, I think. Yeah, he applied the perm rods all over my head, and it was just taking forever. I tell you guys. But yeah, and then after applying the perm rods, we went over. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when it's done, all over my head. And then we went over to the dryer. He put me there for like 30 minutes. He was supposed to put me for 45 minutes, but because I wanted to, I was feeling uncomfortable already. My experience was bad, even before he could be done. So I was like, I need to go because this thing is taking time and I have to be somewhere, okay. So I removed myself from the dryer, And these are the results. I didn't like the hairstyle. It only lasted for one night. I looked like my friend. I'm still feeling sad because my hair is a mess, guys, and I don't know what to do with my hair. Like, guys, yo.